Assalamu alaikum class. Today I am going to demonstrate the last practical number 10 about the preparation of the effervescent granules, and the formulation will include the ingredients such as the citric acid, tartaric acid, sodium bicarbonate and sucrose. First of all, you will clean all the equipments and which will be used in the preparation of the effervescent granules. Then you weigh all the ingredient properly, then reduce the particle size where required and mix one by one of the ingredient in the petri dish with the help of the glass rod. Place the mixture of powder in hot air oven at 55 degrees centigrade for 5 minutes and force it through the sieve number 8. The role of ingredient will be citric acid is used to treat the heartburn and treat the stomach upset. Tartaric acid is used for pH controlling agent, preservatives, emulsifiers, etc. Sodium bicarbonate is used to treat the heartburn. Sucrose is also used as a sweetener and binder. The use of this formulation will be it will increase the gastric blood flow, and storage would be it would be wrapped in the powder paper with the plastic lamination. And the theory is all about the granules and effervescent granules. The granules are the aggregates of the fine particles of the powder in a mass of about spherical shape, and these are the aggregates of the found powder basically. And granules are used to enhance the flow of the powder, and the higher flowability gives the better filling of the dies or containers during the volumetric manufacturing. Reasons for granulation includes the granulation is extensively used in pharmaceutical industry for the manufacturing of the tablets and pellets, and it is carried out for various reasons, one of which is to prevent the segregation of the constituent uh, powder particles in case of the powder mixture. And segregation is due to the differences in the size or density of the component of the mixture. And granulation process transform the fine powders into the free flowing dust free granules that are easy to compress. And one of the most significant unit operations in the production of the pharmaceutical dosage form, mostly the tablets and capsules. What are the effervescent granules? Effervescent granules are the granular dosage forms having the drug and effervescent material, which are composed of the sodium bicarbonate, citric acid, tartaric acid. When added to the water, the acids and the base will react to liberate the carbon dioxide, resulting in the effervescence. Preparation of the effervescent granulation include the tablets, effervescent tablets that were designed to produce the solutions that release the carbon dioxide simultaneously. Usually, these tablets are prepared by compressing the active ingredient with the mixture of the sodium bicarbonate and organic acids such as the citric acid and tartaric acid. And as a source of acid, citric acid is the most useful acid which is commonly used. And disadvantages of the effervescent formulations are they need the larger tablets and complex production process, and very oftenly the need for the specialist packaging material. And fundamentals of the effervescent consist of a soluble organic acid and an alkali metal carbonate salt, one of which is often the active pharmaceutical ingredient. The tablet type is costly as compared to the normal tablets, and it has a shorter shelf life and as compared to the simple tablets. It requires special machinery and less humid environment for manufacturing. So this is all about the pros and cons of the effervescent tablets. If you have any question, then you can ask me in your lab. Thank you so much.